Hi everyone, Mr. Zaki with you, with my student in Mawhiba level 1. Now in this part is math section, so we want to solve problems and I want to show you the steps of solution, how to solve the questions. Okay, now we will go to Noura Al-Mutawa. Can you read number 6, Noura?
Okay, which number was approximated to the nearest thousand incorrectly?
Yeah, what do you think?
We're gonna estimate.
Yeah, you can estimate, right? What do you think? What's the number here? What do you think?
I think it's A.
Yeah, is A, right? So the answer, you said is A?
I don't know, A or C.
Yeah, so how I know approximate here? How I know? How? When I approximate?
Excuse me.
Right? What do you want? Yeah, what do you want?
Page?
When here approximate, that's approximated the nearest of 1,000.
I mean, what is the
correctly.
page? What page?
No, not page. This from the notebook. This from a notebook here. Don't, yeah, only from these questions from your book, but I choose some question to solve the problem. Which number was approximate to the nearest 1,000 incorrectly?
Oh, incorrectly?
Yeah, incorrectly. So you know here incorrectly. So what is it? Here, so what I will do here, the nearest, yeah.
Yeah. 2,184 to,
yeah.
To the nearest thousand.
Yeah.
Incorrectly is A.
Yeah, incorrectly is A. Yes. Here I think it is C, will be C. Will be C. Why? When approximating the number 5,500, this 5,500 to the nearest 100, it give you what? Did you give you what? When I in the nearest here, give you what? 6,000, right? Not what? Not the same 5,000, not the same. Here, when the nearest will be 2,000, so the same. Here, when you nearest to this a number, so you get it this 3,000, right? And here, the approximated, the nearest will be what? Will be 8,000. Why? Because if you delete 1 or 2, 3, 4, when you delete, don't add any numbers, you know? And when you delete 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, when you delete this number, you add what? +1. You see? Did you take it in your school here? The nearest number.
I take it from grade 3.
Yeah, in 3 grades, I think, right?
In our school.
What?
In our school, we have the long division now.
Ah, yeah, that's fine. Good. Oh, no, this now, how? The approximate, when you delete 1, you don't add. So you put 2,000. When you delete 3 and 4 here will be the same approximate 3,000. But here 5,500, when you delete 5, look here, when you delete 5, you add what? So 5,500. When I delete 5, then the number will be 6,000. You see? Do you understand?
Yes.
Right, good. Is it clear, Hassan Rajal? Is it clear?
Yeah, I just got a little mixed up with the number.
Yeah, that's fine. Good. Okay, now we will go to the 7 questions. Now the number 7. Okay, we will go. We come back. We back also. Muhammad Al-Fardan, are you here?
Yes.
Yes, please read number 7, please.
A family uses 6,000 liters of water every week. How many
Yes.
liters does the family approximately use every year?
Yeah, approximately. Yes, approximately.
Use
Use
every year.
every year. Right. So what I will do here? Do you have any idea to solve these problems, Muhammad Al-Fardan? I help
Maybe.
you. Is that?
If they say
Look.
use every year,
Yeah.
for a year, how many days does it take? It takes 357 days to make it to a year.
Right. So
it's 4 million. C.
is you said B? You said B? You said B?
C.
Yes, correct. Correct. It is 4,000. 400,000. 400,000. How I know? Here we also we have many solution. We have many ways to find this solution. A family uses 6,000 liters of water every week. How many liters does the family approximately use it every year? If you know how many weeks in 1 year, can you tell me? Do you have any idea how many weeks in every years? I think it is what? 52 weeks, right? 52 weeks in per year. So we multiply 52 times 6,000. So maybe you can approximate also this. You put it 50 times 6,000. Then you put the same zeros, the same number of zeros. Then you multiply 5 times 6. I think it is what? Yeah, so the answer is different, right? It is a 3, not C. It is D. Yes, it is D, not C.
Yes, because
right?
we deleted the 2.
Yeah, we didn't before, right? It is D. So, do you know now how I solve these problems?
Yes.
Yes, that's fine. Okay, again, I will explain again. See, my student, pay attention, please. I think maybe math section is difficult for you. Don't worry. Then I want to understand everything. A family uses 6,000 liters of water every week. So how many liters does the family approximately use every year? So in per year, we have 52 weeks. So maybe you can approximate to what? To 50. Then you multiply by 6,000. You multiply by 6,000. Then you put the same zeros. And 5 times 6, is 30. So the answer is D. Is it clear, my student? Is it clear?
Yes.
Boys, is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, that's fine.
Yeah.
Good.
Clear.
Yeah. Okay, now we will go number 8 with
Yes.
with who? Read number 8. Faris Al-Jawad. Can you read number 8, please?
Yes, a factory produces 21 devices in 7 days. How many devices does the factory produce in 30 days?
Yeah, that's, I think it is easy. Okay. Do you have any idea, Faris?
Well, actually, yes.
Yes. Okay, go ahead. Now I want to tell me how I solve this problem.
It says 7 days. I think we should multiply.
This 21 and this 7 days.
Yeah. So
Now, a factory produces 21 devices in 7 days. How many devices does the factory produces in 30 days? So the first steps, I want to find bare days. For 1 day, how many, what the factory produces on 1 day? How?
in 1 day, 21. So
21 divided by what?
divided
By 7, right? So, yeah, in 1 day, a factory produces 3 devices, right? Now, we want in 30 days, you multiply by what? By 30, right?
Yeah.
So the answer is?
90.
Right, correct. So the answer is going to be? A, right, correct. So the answer is A. Is it clear, Faris?
Yes.
Yeah, that's fine. Thank you. Thank you for reading and you give me idea. Okay, now we will go to Fatima Maher. Can you read these questions? I think it is
Okay.
easy for you. Fatima.
Yes.
Okay, read number 9.
What is the ratio of the shaded part to the wall shape?
So, what is it? We want to find the fraction here. How? What is the ratio? What did you say?
D.
How? How do you find? You see D, right? You say D, right?
Right.
Yeah, okay. How do you find this answer? I want to know how to find the answer.
You can help me.
Okay. Okay, yes, I can help you. No problem. Don't worry. Okay, here, please, when I have here a triangle, only you divide it. Look here, divide it also to triangle, and here also to triangle. So how many I have a triangle here? How many triangle I have?
8.
How many triangle? Yes, it is 8. How many shaded of the part? How many? 1, right? So the answer is 1 from 8. Do you see? Is it easy?
You. Yes.
Yes, that's fine. Good job.
You.
Yeah, good job. Good job, Fatima Mahar. Okay, we will go to Ghadir Haddad. Where are you, Ghadir? Can you read number 10? Please read number 10.
A ball falls from the height of 64 meters. It touched the ground, then bounces up and reaches half of its original height, and so on each time. When the ball touches the ground for the 7th time, then the total distance which the ball covered by meters equals?
Yeah. So, do you have any idea to solve the problems?
I think 64.
Yeah, the first time is 64, right?
Yeah.
Then he asked me every time it touches the ground, then bonuses up and it reaches half. Then what is the half of 64?
Teacher, 4 minutes and we're going out.
Yeah, oh, the time is off. No, we have 4 minutes.
Yeah, I told you.
Okay, don't worry, we have 4 minutes. Okay, now.
Yes, 16 at 64, I mean, it's divided into 2 equals
32.
Yes, 32.
And the half, what is it?
The other half?
Yeah,
I mean,
because he's here. He look here. When the ball touches the ground for the 7th time. So we need 7 times. This is the first one, and this is the second one. Also, we have 7 times. I want 7 times. And the third one is 16. So also will be 8.
8.
Then 4.
4. And
What is the half
2
of 4? It is 2.
2 and 1.
1, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Now, look here. We have a trick here. So this is the first one, and this the 4th, 5, 6, 7 time. That's right. Now, what about 32, 16, 88? Because here, look here, this ball fall from up ball. So we have only 64 one time. When the ball go, the half went 32, then also down 32, right? Then when go to 16 and down also 16. So you multiply here by 2. Now in the first time, the ball come from a ball falls from the high. So we don't need 64 2 times. So now 64 plus, we added here 32 plus 16 plus 8, yeah, and you multiply by 2, you calculate. Now it is what will be 190. The answer is 190. Right?
I was counting them.
Okay.
Yeah, what did you say? So the answer is 190. Okay, now we finish this video, then we will complete tomorrow in math section. I think math section is difficult for you, but I want to take practice, more practice, to know how to solve the problem. So I am sorry. So I want to know everything. Okay, my student, we finish it now today, the class, and I am happy with you. I want to close now the video, best record.